Okay, everyone. I did my thing on Seesaw. So first you'll want to go to Seesaw. Normally you'd want to sign in as an I'm a student. I'm going to sign in as I'm a teacher. And it brings up my thing, my profile. I added in the All About Me. And you can go and it tells you what to do. Also, if you press the play button, it will actually tell the kids what they need to do if they are not able to read it. The other one is the safest school. Tells kids why do we wear a mask, and they're just like little videos and stuff that they can watch to learn how to wash their hands and the reason why we wear masks at school right now. And mine is actually set to where I send the kids a code when they sign in. So they sign in with their Google email. So if you were actually to go in and do it as a student, you would type in their email, their password, and then their code, their text code right here, which you would send to them individually.